Nike Cortez on my feet.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back on the video, yes sir, today, man. We talking about these Air Jordan 1s, Marina Blue. We'll call them dark Marina Blue. Hit a couple sizes or whatever, but only size I have left is a grade school left. So that's y'all the review y'all gonna get. But I ain't got no man size, nothing like that left in hand. But at least y'all can see it in hand, I should say. But it's a grade school size 7, but that's gone too. But all my other pairs is gone. But me personally, I passed on this shoe. I didn't keep the shoe at all. But it's a dope colorway, don't get me wrong. But I think the Air Jordan 1 now is like going down. I feel like a lot of things like Yeezys, Nike Dunks is going up a little bit. Certain Jordans will definitely do what it do. But I think these Air Jordan 1s, they remind me of the Pollen ones, but just a hint of the black. There's that yellow and black, but it's blue and black now. So it's like, But it's all good, man. Like I said, we're here to talk about the shoe. First impression of the shoe, you know what I'm saying? Resale value of the shoe, all that good stuff, man. So make sure you like and subscribe if you're new, man. I definitely appreciate it. Without further ado, let's go get to the video. If you hit anything on the apps or anything like that, let you know, boy, down below. If you hit on like the sneakers app, the flex app, or anything like that, let your boy know down below in the comments. You know what I'm saying? Your boy, I ain't hit on sneakers app or anything. I ain't been on sneakers app in a little minute, to be completely honest with y'all. But I'll definitely be hitting on the flex app. I gotta get to the finish line. I'm starting getting into Hibbits as well too. So they're the next 2 spots I gotta start getting familiar with, I should say. Sneakers app is you know what I'm saying? But it varies. It depends, you know what I'm saying, like good stuff, man. But y'all ain't hear from me too much talking about the flex app, all like this. I hear me talk about the shoe, and y'all want to see the shoe, of course, right? Okay, let me go get that shoe up for y'all. So there you go. House of Hoops, you know what I'm saying? The one on the Foot Locker app, House of Hoops, you know what I'm saying? Let's go get that bad boy out the bag. Yes, sir. So all Air Jordans, most of the Air Jordans come in the red and black. You know what I'm saying? Nike box like this. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's a size 7. Boom. Also got the red Nike ear. Also in the back, you got the Nike and the red swoosh on the back. Right here on the side as well. But it says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG GS Dark Marina Blue, Black White. And the retail for the grade school size was 130. So I taxed it to be like 140-ish around that range. Cause at first they used to be like 120, and then the men's was 160. Now the men's is 170, by the way. So the price is going up on shoes. Now most retros now is 200. Taller size shoes is 70, not 60 no more. It's a lot of stuff going up, like $10 now. It's crazy, man. But let's go get these shoes out, man. This shoe, like I said, the colorway not bad. It just I think the leather quality of the shoe is like a nah. That's what I think. I like the colorway though, don't get me wrong, but I think the leather quality a lot of people passing on, like nah. And also the Cardinal 3s is coming out this Saturday too. You know what I'm saying? So I'm also make another video talking about how to cop. So I'm back on my how to cop videos. You know what I'm saying? Early looks in hand, all that good stuff, man. So definitely be ready for that, man. But here go these bad boys right here. Bang. Here they go, man. The Air Jordan 1 Dark Marina Blue joints, man.
I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang.
Like I said, retail price on these what's 130, so I taxed like 140 something around that range. But it comes with sets of white. Also comes with sets of black laces, and I already got blue laces on there already. But like I said, the colorway of the shoe is, I like blue. Blue is one of my favorite colors. It's just the leather quality of the shoe. Y'all can see it. Like the leather quality is like, in the toe box leather quality is like the pollens basically. Just like the pollens. It's just the yellow. It's like literally where the yellow is. That's where the blue won't be right there. So just like the pollens basically. Like none changed, none different. You know what I'm saying? Go get the joint out. Sets of white and black laces. So go ahead and get that out. Wait, let's go and talk about the shoe, man. Of course, on your outsole, you got your dark blue outsole. Hence right here that Nike right in the middle of the shoe. Go along the toe box, you got your black leather toe box. Go on the toe box, you got your blue hints around the toe box. Right here on the side panel, you got your blue Nike check. Also got your black Air Jordan Wing logo right here on the side as well. And on the tongue, you got your blue and white Nike Air on the tongue. It's stitched in, by the way. It's not like that thick tab. It's a stitched in. I love that when they do Air Jordan 1s. I love that for sure. Inside of the shoe, you got your hints of the white Nike Air inside of the shoe. So if you wear like black socks, that's gonna get dirty. Just letting y'all know early, letting y'all know right now. If you wear black socks with that, it's gonna mess up. But it's a little secret you wanna know. So you get some tape, right? And you just tape up that Nike Air and make it last longer in case y'all care. But I'll do that now. At first I didn't do that until like about 2 years ago. I just started doing it, but it look better. Let me see if I got some shoes. Just show y'all how that's taped up inside of the shoe, like the Nike Air. So what I did was, like I said, I got some tape and it just taped up the, you know what I'm saying, inside of the shoe. Something different. You really ain't gotta do it, but it's just something. Give y'all a little tip or something. Overall, the leather quality is like a but like I said, the colorway of the shoe, I definitely like the colorway of the shoe. But I think a lot of people passed on this shoe because the Cardinal 3s is coming out this Saturday. So like you gonna either pick these or the Cardinal 3s. Me personally, I would pick the Cardinal 3s over these. Like I said, leather quality, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that. And Air Jordan 1s, they just throwing colors on there. Like literally, like I said, the pollen ones is the same color block and everything. The only difference is what the yellow is, and that's basically what the blue is. So that's all it is to it, these Air Jordan 1s. But the resale value not going crazy at all, to be honest with you, men's and grade school. So if you're looking to grab the shoe or somebody reselling this, I ain't gonna lie, price is not bad at all. Go ahead and pull the trigger and grab the shoe now. The resale right now, the men's sizes like averages what, 210 to 220 maybe, and the grade school sizes the average is like 180 to 200. So that's not really bad. But I think grade school pairs is going for more than the men's size. Certain people is selling them for 250 for the men's sizes. I mean, that's cool and all, but they're not going for that much. But maybe after fees and taxes on StockX and Go, but other than that, it ain't worth paying no 250 plus for these. That's just my personal opinion. That's just how I feel. You know, like I said, I'll do the same thing. I sell shoes too, but 250 is too much for these. Like too much for these. That is my personal opinion. But comment down below, man. Let me know again. Like I said, you hit on Sneakers app, you hit on Foot Locker, or anything like that. Let your boy know down below. Also, the size run in Air Jordan 1s. Normally I tell people go a half size up. I wouldn't say go true to size most of the time because there's a narrow shoe and they run a little snug a little bit. It takes a little while to break in. So I would prefer you to go a half size up in Air Jordan 1s. You know what I'm saying? In case y'all wonder, like, well, how size runs JR? Like, how does it go? Normally to go a half size up for sure. Most definitely. Don't go to true to size in Air Jordan 1s. I'm trying to tell you, your feet gonna be hurting for sure. So in case y'all didn't know about that. That's it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love support as always. I got some more videos coming in for sure. Got more free time on my hands, man. So I appreciate y'all showing love support as always. Make sure you follow me on all my platforms down below. I would greatly appreciate it, man. Roll to that 5K, man. Let's get on the grind. Y'all gonna be seeing your boy Gerald 1 some more, man. So y'all have a blessed one. Catch y'all tomorrow, man. Gerald 1 is out. Peace.